Imagine sliding two tiny, near-weightless pieces of engineered silicon into your ears, stepping out onto a roaring, chaotic Manhattan street corner, and instantly experiencing absolute dead silence. A silence so profound it feels like you just stepped into a deep-sea diving bell or a vacuum-sealed chamber. Then, you tap the stem, and a soundstage unfolds in your mind that is so wide, so deep, and so physically accurate that you would swear a live orchestral band is standing exactly 3 feet in front of you. That is no longer a localized tech fantasy. It is the exact reality-shifting truth of what is happening right now with the Apple AirPods Pro 4. For years, the wireless earbud market was locked in a brutal compromise. The industry told us that if you wanted true, uncompromising high-fidelity audio, you had to wear massive, heavy over-ear headphones that clamped tightly onto your skull, made your ears sweat, and required a dedicated backpack just to carry around. If you chose portable earbuds, you were penalized with tiny sound stages, shallow bass response, and active noise cancellation that felt like an artificial pressure wave pushing against your eardrums. It was a constant trade-off between the freedom of your movement and the quality of your acoustic experience. But Apple just executed an engineering move that completely obliterates that entire narrative. By re-engineering acoustic fluid dynamics, completely overhauling localized computational audio physics, and introducing a specialized processing core that actively defies physical space, they didn't just release a minor update. They broke the audio hierarchy. If you are a music lover, a daily commuter trying to drown out the noise of the world, a remote professional demanding flawless call clarity, or someone who simply refuses to compromise on personal audio quality, you need to freeze. Do not look at bulky over-ear headphones, and certainly do not buy an outdated pair of earbuds until you understand exactly what Apple has accomplished under the hood of this specific machine, because by the end of this video, you will realize that the entire landscape of personal sound generation has fundamentally shifted, and traditional ideas of how small a true high-fidelity audio engine can be are completely obsolete. We are going to systematically dissect exactly how these miniature acoustic chambers operate under heavy processing loads. We will look at the jaw-dropping architectural leap of its customized processing core, the brutal efficiency of its redesigned adaptive audio engine that maps your environment thousands of times per second, the hidden battery and charging innovations that solve the biggest pain points of wireless audio, and the real-world performance under devastating acoustic interference. Most importantly, we will dive deep into why this specific device is causing a massive wave of panic across the entire high-end audio industry, forcing legacy audiophile brands to completely scramble their product roadmaps just to stay relevant. Let us start with the absolute heart of the machine, the customized processor driving this portable audio revolution. To truly comprehend why this chip is a statistical marvel, you have to look at what happened with the architectural layout. We are not talking about a basic Bluetooth firmware update or a minor software equalization pass. This is a fundamental redesign of how digital audio streams are translated into physical sound waves inside your ear canal. The efficiency gains mean that this processing unit is drawing a fraction of the power of previous generations while running